Well, wouldn't you just know, we picked the hottest day so far and the hottest part of the hottest day to get our motorhome and towed hooked up together, and we're heading out to Red Bay, Alabama to check out the Tiffin factory, see what they've got to offer. We normally get our servicing done at a truck stop locally, somewhere within 15 miles of us, and they're good for oil changes and tires and that kind of thing, but I wanted the engine going through from nuts to bolts. But I never like to leave on a trip without being prepared and having all the hoses, belts, fluids, anything that looks like it might be suspect. I'd rather get it changed. I'm Wayne.
And I'm Norma from RVacationer.
Follow us as we travel in our motorhome and Jeep Cherokee.
Subscribe and click the notification bell. Dutch Oven Bakery and Variety Store. Yum.
We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Our little lady that was at the Tiffin tours told us that when you tell somebody in a small town, stay at the hotel, that's because there ain't but one hotel.
To see the truth around you, from a distance you can tell.
Red Bay Acres General Store, I think.
Turn left, then your destination will be on the right.
Look at that old truck out there.
Meant to be in the great outdoors,
When we got to the store, we walked in to check in. There was a guy in front of us, so we had the time to walk around and look to see what all they had. A lot of souvenirs and jams and jellies and crocheted purdies and things like that. Not a lot of RV necessities like hoses and pressure regulators and things like that. But it was a good experience.
They gave us all kinds of brochures and lists of things in the area to do. And you can't have an RV tech to come into the campground unless they're one that's approved by the campground itself. But there was a 2-page list of companies you could call to get something done.
So I think it's hilarious that here we are at a resort in Red Bay, Alabama. Every motorhome here is a Tiffin, except mine and that little yellow school bus that just went by. Nothing wrong with it.
Mobile RV service on Saturday.
Oh, it's a mobile RV tech. Cool. Well, I thought it was just somebody camping here. Well, it's morning here in Red Bay, Alabama, and we've had our shower. There was a little thunderstorm last night. Other than that, we slept good. The sights are good level. It was very, very quiet. So we got up this morning. They got a place here called the Yacht Club on premise. It's not a public restaurant. It's just a private place for the campground. And we think we're going to go get us a biscuit or see what it looks like at the very least, and then proceed on to the Tiffin factory tour.
What?
So we're about to leave to go to the restaurant that's, probably 20 yards or something from our campsite, so we couldn't walk that far. We'll go get something to eat. All right, what are we doing?
Going to get something to eat. It's food time. I think that's a...
Detailing, mobile RV detailing. One nice thing about being here in Red Bay, there's no shortage of motorhome. So we're going to drive around the restaurant, come back into the RV park, and then park and see what they got.
That's the bad thing about having to go one way. You gotta go out of the park to come back in, but I mean, not like it's very far.
Red Bay Yacht Club.
Yes. What can I get for you?
I think I want to get the sausage gravy.
Where do you see a menu at?
Right here.
Everything they had.
All right.
I forgot.
Yeah. Fried catfish.
Breakfast.
I'll just do the sausage and biscuit.
The sausage and biscuit.
Yeah, and a cup of coffee.
Alright. Anything else?
Well, I need a water, I guess.
Do you want tap water or a bottled water?
Bottled water.
Okay.
Very nice place. Just black.
It's free. You can fix it yourself.
Oh, really? Free? That's my favorite word.
Anything else for y'all?
The yacht club has a pool table and a little tabletop shuffleboard. Looks like a poker table over there. They have puzzles, games, Yahtzee. There is a very cool statue of some whales there. Someone did an excellent job on that.
Sit back here where the sun's not on us.
That'd be fine. Got a ping pong table. Yeah, that's nice. That's in the shade. Those other spots are in the sun. Yeah, this is nice. Thank you very much.
Y'all enjoy.
Don't waste none
Did you get
now.
that on
Yeah, I
film?
sure did.
We'll delete it.
We don't waste food around here. Oop, good. Half a biscuit with a piece of sausage. So 1 to 5, what do you think? 4? Not a 4.5? 4 3/4? Just a 4. Plain old 4. While we were in Red Bay, we wanted to take the opportunity to go through the Tiffin motorhome factory tour. They offer tours on Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 9:30 a.m. You got to make reservations, and you can't show up with open-toed shoes because they will send you back to go get different shoes if you try to come in with sandals or flip-flops or Crocs or something. I saw that actually happen while we were there. We were there on a Monday, which is normally a quiet day, but we had a full tour. So the tour guide will give you a set of headphones, and she has a transmitter. She and he, there was 2 of them. They would alternate back and forth information on how things are made, but with the earbuds and the receiver, you could hear them clearly, even though the factory was pretty loud out there. One thing I noticed was a large portion of it was stacks and stacks and stacks of wood. They had 10 stations that they start out bringing in a chassis, whether it was Freightliner, Spartan, and they would put the floor on. Remember, each unit is a custom order. It's either from a dealer or an individual, but everyone is different. So what they're building has to be built to a specification for that particular unit. Well, our time is short-lived.
Tick, 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 tick.
Yep, tomorrow we leave for the service center after they get through servicing the motorhome, checking everything out for our big trip. We'll be heading back to Arab, Alabama. It's been a nice experience. Cute little town. Not much of it, but it's cute.
Not much to do.
Yeah.
Not restaurants.
Everybody closes and goes home at 4 o'clock.
There are 2 grocery stores.
Yep.
And a Dollar General.
One is also the Ace Hardware. Ace Hardware / Piggly Wiggly.
We didn't get a picture of that, did we?
I did.
Did
I
you?
took several. So it's been a good experience. We've really enjoyed our time here, but it's coming to a close. We'll be heading home tomorrow unless they find something major that they have to keep us a little while longer, but I don't think so. It should be just an oil change, all the filters, check the lubes and the differential and all that. And then we'll be heading back to Arab, Alabama. See what they've got for our evening meal. I think it was chicken salad sandwiches, grilled cheese sandwiches, and pizza. Chicken salad sandwich all the way. And potato salad. Good stuff. Our whole reason for going to Red Bay this year was to have our motorhome serviced at Bay Diesel. Our overall experience was good. It cost less than what we thought it was supposed to cost. However, the Onan generator that we have on board crapped out on us while we were there, so now we've got to go back and have it repaired, diagnosed, and repaired. Thanks. Hi friends, thank you for joining us on this video. If you would, if you have not already, we need a real big favor. Not like a kidney or a lung or anything, just a real big favor. Hit that subscribe button right down there, that red one, right in there. And when you hit that, you'll see a little bell. Click on the bell so you get notified of all our future videos. And give us a thumbs up. We would appreciate it very, very much. Thank you. Have a great day. See you in the next video.